Good morning. Today is Thursday, December the 8th. It's 8:16 in the morning, and today's rollover day. But I don't always change over on rollover day because usually rollover day is the volume is split between the two the two contracts, the forward contract and the current contract. In this case, the December and the March contracts. So if we look at what I'm talking about here, see, we've already had a lot of volume, quite a bit of volume in our daily volume so far. But look at the March contracts, only 2,000, so not quite ready to go there just yet. Now I do see something of interest here that could definitely inspire me to go consider going along here. I see certainly a step right there, like this right here. Don't really like this bar pattern though. Okay, got a little double bottom action going there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take it because there it is, a head and shoulder right there. A nice step pattern right there. Alright, we made a gift. Not a big deal. We got this big, huge move down, so I'm going to sit back and wait and watch for a while. I'll be back closer to the market open. Alrighty, I'm back. And see, we did get this push up, but it didn't quite come from right here. It came from just a little bit deeper. I gave that second separation there. Market depth is pretty thin, so I'm going to sit back and wait on it for a little bit. We may go ahead and switch over. Although volume, yeah, all right, market's open. Volume is still favoring the current December contract. All right, let's see if we can get a little market depth back. See if this will go ahead and push on up to the top of the rail. Okay, made a gift. We are at a double bottom right there. And you got that 610 separated for the foot. Okay, so I'm looking for the 610 to go ahead and get on that top rail there. Keep bouncing it up because I just think we've got, yeah, this is showing to take off even better. Looking to see this get to the top of the rail there. Go ahead and take that one out there at that point. Let that be filled. Okay, first part's off the table. We got a green day now. 610's gotten itself on the rail. We know if you get one, you usually get 3 or 4. And we had this pull up here to the 38th. We came back to it. So now we expect to go to the 50 or higher. Okay, so there's no reason for it to come back down to this point again. So we'll get in a tick behind the pivot there. Let's see if this thing's going ahead and take off to the north side. We're going to tighten up just a little bit behind this pivot because it does seem to be struggling. Okay. All right. That's nice. I just don't like the struggle that it's facing here. It's unclear to me whether or not it's going to break through the 50, especially with this being separated. Keep an eye on it for a few more minutes. Because I've had my push-up. You know, I was there. And in fact, looking at the 610, you can see that it's been going up for gas in the MACDs. Yeah, see, this finally presented itself here. Another interesting thing is, actually, I have a gap here. Let's see if we can get these price action to come back up into this area, or we could get a little touch of the beaks. Might be interested in taking a short from there. Okay, so I'm still waiting for it to pull back up into this area right up in here. Kind of get the neck of those triggers there. It's just the beginning of them. See, I think this is interesting. See, you had separation here. That should have put it up to the top. It doesn't really want to go up. We're going to give this one a shot here. We're at the deep. We'll see what happens. Thinking we can get right back up here to this area, which is where I was looking for it to pull up to. Tightened up just right behind that. So that with this push up, we can also make a nice little foot on the 610. I'm going to split these targets. I'll get this one right down here where I'd like to see it pull up to. Tell you what, the whole thing, I don't like the big bars. I don't like the lack of market depth, so I went ahead and got out of it. The other thing I don't like, see the strength in those triggers starting to turn down. I was looking for price to pull back up into here, and that's what I've started looking at from back here, and it just didn't do it. So you know, when it didn't go ahead and plink 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 up, it was time to not wait around. So the 610 really showed the picture here in the price. You really saw the big difference in the MACDs here. Look at MACDs. MACDs went down, became 50%. Yep. This whole thing only moved from the hole there. Only came up 23. So definitely a discrepancy. Nice picture of going for gas. Okay, so we've come down here to this area, which is, if we look yesterday, see where it came down. We know that was testing that 38 on a bigger chart. So then we come down here to the deep. So getting that nice little pivot up, and we also see we have divergence here. Looks like we have a 3-bar slide working. Give it that one tick behind. All right, well, that didn't work out. That's all right. I saw it. I knew we were certainly, we had the divergence. You can see it in here. I knew this was an area, and I knew we were at divergence there on the 610 chart. So it was worth a try. Good day nonetheless. Let's see. That'd be 1.6 for the day. Fantastic. Happy with that. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll be back tomorrow.